In the forest green where trees stand tall, a graceful creature that is so small with antlers proud and eyes so bright that sing through the meadows. In morning's hush with dawn's first light, the deer emerge a charming sight. Their coats of brown like hoods in fall, softly grazing near the woodland wall. They leap and bound so full of glee, nature's ballet, wild and free. Through fields and streams they gently roam, in the heart of nature, their woodland home. There is Buttercup alert and keen, a cautious gaze. The forest queen attend a fawn with spots so sweet, learning from its mother's fleet. In moonlit nights beneath the stars, the deer roam freely, no fences, no bars. A magical dance in the silver glow, nature's wonders for all to. So let us cherish this woodland sprite, the deer in the meadow where magical sight, in forest deep where dreams take flight, nature's beauty a pure.